In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to weld shapes in Inkscape step by step. This is an essential technique if you're creating logos, icons, stickers, or any kind of vector artwork where you need clean, merged shapes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to combine objects, weld text, and even control exactly where the weld happens. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Inkscape tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open Inkscape and place a couple of shapes onto your canvas. You can use basic shapes like circles, rectangles, or even custom drawings. The key here is that your shapes need to overlap. Welding only works when objects intersect, so make sure part of one shape is sitting on top of another. Now, if you're working with text, there's one extra step you need to do before welding. Select your text, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus C to convert it into a path. This is really important because Inkscape treats text differently from shapes, and you won't be able to weld it unless it's converted. Just keep in mind, once you do this, your text is no longer editable as a text. Next, grab the selection tool by pressing S or just click the arrow icon. Drag your mouse over all the objects you want to weld, or hold Shift and click each one individually. You should see all of them highlighted. With everything selected, go up to the top menu, click on Path, and then choose Union. You can also use the shortcut control plus the plus key. As soon as you do this, Inkscape will merge all selected objects into a single path, removing any overlapping interior lines. You'll notice that everything becomes one solid shape. Now here's something important to understand. Once objects are welded like this, they become a single path, which means you can't simply ungroup them like before. If you need to edit parts later, you'll have to use node editing or other path operations, so plan ahead when possible. Let's say you don't want to weld the entire shape, but only a specific section. Here's a useful trick. Create a new shape that covers the exact area where you want the weld effect to be visible. Place that shape on top of your design, then select both the container shape and your artwork. Now press Ctrl plus M to set a clip. This will restrict the visible area to just that section. If you ever want to undo this, simply press Alt plus M to release the clip and return everything to normal. And that's it. You now know how to weld shapes in Inkscape, whether you're working with basic objects or text, and even how to control the visible result using clipping. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.